So the block IPs module in the site configuration, located right here, is a fairly newer module here. But let me go ahead and click into it. And the way this works is it's very similar to the school IP manager, which will be actually rotating out and replaced with this block IPs here. But essentially, what it allows you to do is by clicking this Add IP to Block List, I enter in the IP address of the device I want to block. And if you're not familiar with this, it's perfectly fine. If you happen to receive a piece of spam or anything like that, anything unwanted, you can actually pull up the email that you receive. So let me go ahead and this test message that I sent here, and I sent to myself, and you'll see this sent by IP here. So you just want to take this IP block here. As soon as I can grab this, Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy. Then you want to go back to that IP to block and then paste that there, and then submit, and it'll place it just like this. So it'll tell you the date it was added, the last time it was blocked, and the block account. So it actually tells you how many times they try to actually access your site. Okay, but let me go ahead and so another way to actually access this is go into the email file and properties. Okay, and then let's see if I can find it in here. Okay, right here. So at the very bottom of these internet headers here, this is some email headers here. So every email that you send will have this basic information sent over as well. So at the very bottom, you should find this X origin IP, which is essentially the IP of the device used to send this email. So you can locate this as well and place that into the block IP, the block IPs module, and it actually block the IP address.